It's late. The campsite has gone quiet. The only sounds are the soft rustling of the trees and the distant crackle of a dying fire. Emily is inside her tent, sitting cross-legged on top of her sleeping bag. Her friends from school are each in their own tents nearby. No one is talking anymore. The long day has caught up with everyone. That evening, they had a barbecue by the fire. There was food and music and a lot of laughter. Someone was always pointing a phone at someone else. It was that kind of evening. Now, Emily is scrolling through photos on Instagram. Everyone looks so happy. Her friends' faces are lit up. She recognizes each moment. She pauses on one photo. Her friend Kira is holding a marshmallow on a stick, her mouth wide open. Emily smiles. She taps the comment box and the keyboard slides up. Then she hears it, a faint tap on the tent roof. Then another. She holds still. Rain. The first drops are quiet and scattered. But within a few minutes, the sound fills the tent. A steady, rushing drum on thin fabric. No pauses, no gaps. She closes the keyboard without typing anything. The comment she was going to write stays unwritten. She sets her phone face down beside her. The screen goes dark. The tent is lit only by the small lantern near her bag. It throws a soft yellow light across the walls. She turns toward the mesh window. Outside, the trees are swaying in the wind, their shapes dark against the gray sky. Water runs down the outside of the tent, catching the faint glow from inside. She's dry, she's warm. Everything outside is wet and cold and moving. She pulls her sleeping bag up over her legs and stays very still. The lantern makes the small space feel even smaller, and somehow just right. She wonders if her friends are awake in their tents, listening to the same rain. She thinks they probably are. The rain doesn't stop. If anything, it gets louder. A thick, constant sound with no gaps in it. But it isn't frightening. It's just rain. No problem. After a while, she picks up her phone again. The Instagram photo is still open. She looks at it for a moment. The campfire, the marshmallow, her friends' faces caught in the middle of something. She doesn't write the comment. She just looks. Then she sets the phone down and lies back on her sleeping bag. The rain is everywhere now, above her, around her, steady and without end. She closes her eyes. It sounds like it will rain all night, and somehow, that feels completely fine.